Welcome to Growing Greater, a new web series from the Virginia State University College of Agriculture. We're on a mission to improve the lives of students, families, and communities across Virginia and beyond. In each episode, we'll spotlight the amazing work of our educators, researchers, and extension specialists who are helping the college and our community grow greater every day. Today, we're looking back at some of the exciting things that happened this year. And don't worry, we've got plenty of great stories coming your way in future episodes too. Let's kick things off by celebrating Dr. Dennis Donaldson from our Cooperative Extension team. Dr. Donaldson was recently honored by the National 4-H Council as a Beyond Ready 1890s Lead Advisor, a huge national recognition. He leads VSU's 4-H STEM programs where young people learn through hands-on activities like drone flying, robotics, and even a Lego coding workshop. This award reflects his passion for helping youth grow and thrive, and it shows just how far VSU's outreach reaches across Virginia. We're proud of his leadership and his commitment to preparing the next generation for careers in agriculture, science, and technology. While Dr. Donaldson is helping kids explore STEM, our researchers are using the same tools to protect our food and improve public health. In the M.T. Carter building, Dr. Chaya Kim is studying bacteria that can make us sick, specifically those that resist antibiotics. His team is collecting food samples from grocery stores, farmers markets, and small businesses right here in Petersburg to figure out what's safe to eat and how to keep people healthy. Now, let's switch gears from the lab to the land. Here's a fun question. What do hibiscus flowers, healthy eating, and Juneteenth have in common? You'll find the answer at Randolph Farm. In one of our high tunnels, Dr. Teresa Nartea is growing hibiscus flowers as part of her work in edible herbs and economic wellness. She's showing how local plants can support our health and local businesses. Those same hibiscus blooms were later used by Chef Reese and the Agri-Culinary Academy to make a traditional Afro-Caribbean drink called Sorrel for VSU's Juneteenth celebration. The drink is packed with vitamin C and cultural history, and it's a beautiful example of how agriculture, food, and culture come together at VSU. Not far from the hibiscus, another crop was turning heads. Sweet potatoes. At a recent hands-on workshop led by Dr. Leonard Gathinji and the Small Farm Outreach Program, students, farmers, and ag experts came together to learn everything from how to grow sweet potatoes to how to store them properly. The best part? Watching people get excited, ask questions, and gain confidence in their farming skills. Missed it? Don't worry, more workshops are coming soon, and we've got highlights online for you to check out. Workshops like that one do more than grow crops. They grow people, just as Desmond Owens. Desmond graduated from our College of Agriculture and now works as a 4-H youth development agent with Virginia Cooperative Extension. But agriculture wasn't always on her radar. Growing up in rural Virginia, she was surrounded by 4-H and educators, including her parents, but didn't see herself in ag until she came to VSU. Through internships with Dr. Woods and Dr. Gathinji, Desmond found her calling. Today, she's giving back by mentoring youth, just like she was once mentored. Want to hear more about her journey? We've got the full story on our website. And speaking of youth finding their way, this summer, the New Ag Youth Ambassador Tour featured a rising star, Kendall Ray Johnson, the youngest certified farmer in the country. Kendall traveled to several 1890 land-grant universities, including VSU, inspiring students, faculty, and 4-H groups along the way. She's proof that leadership in agriculture can start young and grow fast. To see where she went and what she learned, visit our website for the full story. Before we wrap, here's something to look forward to. The Trojan Farmers Market is coming up on August 21st from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. right here on campus. Stop by to support local growers, grab some fresh produce, and experience the best of VSU agriculture in action. As you can see, even when the rest of the campus slows down for the summer, the College of Agriculture is blooming with activity in the labs, in the fields, and out in the community. Today we shared just a few stories, but there's always more happening and more to come. Thanks for watching this episode of Growing Greater. For details on everything you saw today, visit our website and follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay in the loop. Until next time.